A dog doesn't laugh at its own mistakes. A chimpanzee won't make fun of itself. A bird can't get embarrassed about failing to catch prey. But humans do this constantly. We tell jokes about our flaws. We laugh at ourselves when we trip. We mock our own stupidity. This seems trivial, it's not. Psychologist Jennifer Semrud-Clikeman has studied laughter across cultures and found something striking. The ability to laugh at yourself appears exclusively in humans who have developed a theory of mind, the ability to imagine what others are thinking about you. You can't laugh at yourself unless you can imagine yourself from someone else's perspective. You have to see yourself as others see you, acknowledge the gap between how you wanted to appear and how you actually appeared, and find it funny. This requires a uniquely human skill, understanding that other minds exist, that they have different information than you do, and that they're currently judging you. Most animals can't do this. A chimp might respond to social criticism with aggression or submission. A dog might feel shame and hide. But self-deprecating humor, that requires constructing a narrative where you're both the actor and the audience simultaneously. Here's where it gets important for human evolution. In societies without formal laws or police, reputation was survival. If you made a mistake, broke a rule, or failed socially, the group could cast you out. One mistake could end you. But if you laughed at yourself first, you changed the power dynamic. By mocking yourself, you were showing the group you understood the rules, acknowledged your failure, and weren't a threat. Self-deprecating humor became a survival tool. Researchers studying humor across 33 cultures found the same pattern. People who joke about their own flaws are rated as more likable, more trustworthy, and more socially competent than people who don't. In small hunter-gatherer groups where reputation determined whether you lived or died, the person who could laugh at themselves was the one who got to stay in the tribe. But there's something else happening when you laugh at yourself. You're admitting vulnerability. You're saying, I know I'm not perfect. I know you see my flaws, and I'm okay with that. This might sound weak. It's actually powerful, because the only way to build genuine trust with strangers is to be honest about your imperfections. Humans built civilization by learning to cooperate with people who weren't family, who didn't grow up with you, who had no biological reason to trust you. The ability to laugh at yourself, to admit you're not invulnerable, to show you're not a threat, became the social glue that held us together. So when you tell a joke about messing up, you're not just being funny. You're executing a strategy millions of years old, proving you're someone others can trust.